Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best NVR switch is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in a modern surveillance system, acting as the central hub that connects all your network video recorders and cameras, ensuring seamless data flow and reliable recording capabilities for comprehensive security monitoring. This device is crucial for managing the bandwidth and traffic generated by multiple high-definition cameras, making its selection and configuration paramount to the overall performance and efficiency of your entire security setup, so choosing the right one can make all the difference. Number 5. Kasa Smart Light Switch HS200. Introducing the Kasa Smart Light Switch, model HS200. It offers a seamless way to bring smart control to your home lighting. Setting up is a breeze with our guided app. Follow the step-by-step instructions for a quick and easy installation process. Never worry about leaving lights on again. You can monitor and control your home's lighting from anywhere using just your smartphone. Enjoy the convenience of voice commands. It works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control lights hands-free. Set schedules to automate your lighting. You can have them turn on or off automatically, even when you're away from home. Designed and developed in Silicon Valley, this device is trusted by millions and UL certified for safety. It's a reliable addition to your smart home. What we like. This smart switch offers app-guided installation, making setup a breeze. You can control your lights from anywhere using your smartphone. If you're looking for convenience and smart home integration, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The product works well. It has a good design and function. The features are great. Number 4. Pyle 19-inch 1U server rack shelf. Tired of messy equipment? This rack shelf is the perfect solution for organizing and securely holding all your devices, big or small. Designed for both professional and home use, it fits seamlessly into various setups like wall shelves, rack mounts, and server racks. With a robust weight capacity of 110 pounds, it provides stable and secure support for a wide range of equipment, giving you peace of mind. Its vented design ensures excellent airflow, keeping your valuable electronics cool and extending their lifespan. Compatible with all standard 19-inch racks, it offers flexible installation for any application, from small server racks to custom setups. What we like. This rack shelf provides a versatile solution for organizing your equipment with a high weight capacity. It promotes device longevity through its vented design. If you need to keep your professional or home studio gear tidy and well ventilated, this is an excellent option. What people say. The product works, design, function, feature, facts mentioned. This is another positive review with details. Number 3. ONWOTE 16-channel 6K security camera system. Introducing the ONWOTE 16-channel security camera system. Experience advanced surveillance with facial recognition and smart AI detection, ensuring you only get alerts that matter. Our system's facial recognition technology accurately identifies individuals. This helps reduce false alarms and significantly conserves your valuable storage space. With ACU search technology, locating a suspect is instantaneous. This precise search capability allows for rapid criminal tracking, giving you peace of mind. See every detail with stunning 4K resolution. Its wide 134 degrees field of view ensures comprehensive coverage, capturing more of your surroundings. Designed with durable, IP66 rated metal housing, this system is built for both indoor and outdoor use. It's fully weatherproof, ready to protect your property in any condition. Don't just see, hear too. The cameras capture audio, and the NVR records it, providing a complete picture of events. Installation is a breeze with power over Ethernet. The NVR conveniently powers the cameras through a single Ethernet cable, making setup plug and play. What we like. This security system boasts advanced facial recognition and AI detection for smarter surveillance. It features a 6K NVR for superior definition and captures audio. If you're a business owner or homeowner looking for high-level security with intelligent features, this system is ideal. What people say. The product works, design, function, feature, facts mentioned. The product works, design, function, feature, facts mentioned. Number 2. VIVO Wall Mount Bracket Kit for Nintendo Switch Mount, All 02. Introducing the VIVO Wall Mount Bracket Kit, designed specifically for your Nintendo Switch. This adjustable steel holder offers a secure and sleek solution for your gaming setup. Its adjustable width, ranging from 1.9 to 3 inches, ensures a customizable fit for your entertainment center. Find the ideal mounting setup with ease. The open frame design not only complements your gaming system but also provides optimal cooling and airflow. This helps extend the life of your device. Keep your space clean and organized by securely mounting your Nintendo Switch. Get it out of the way while keeping it accessible. Built with sturdy steel construction, it ensures excellent support for your gaming console. The lightweight design makes mounting quick and simple. Assembly is a breeze with all hardware and instructions included. You can have your Nintendo Switch mounted and ready in no time. What we like. This mount offers an adjustable width and an open frame design to keep your gaming system cool. It's designed to save space and maintain a clean look. If you want to securely store your gaming console while optimizing your entertainment center, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The NVR Switch is a great addition to my home security system, providing reliable connectivity for all my cameras. I was impressed with the easy setup process and the intuitive interface of the NVR Switch, making it simple to manage my recordings. The build quality of the NVR Switch is excellent, and it feels very durable and well made. Number 1. POWERTEC 71354 Magnetic Safety Switch. Introducing the POWERTEC 71354 Magnetic Safety Switch, designed for your power tools. It offers a large, easy-to-access button for quick power control. This switch features a magnetic safety mechanism. It ensures your tools stay off after a power interruption, preventing unexpected startups and keeping you safe. Rated for 120V and 9A, it's compatible with a wide range of woodworking machines like table saws, routers, and drill presses. It's a great replacement for many popular brands. Installation is a breeze with its plug-and-play design. Mount it easily on your workbench for quick access and a safer workflow. Constructed with a durable, dustproof, and impact-resistant ABS housing, this switch is built to withstand demanding workshop conditions for long-lasting performance. This single-phase switch is UL certified and features heavy-duty cords. It provides professional-grade safety compliance for all your woodworking needs. What we like. This magnetic switch features a safety mechanism to prevent automatic restarts after power loss. It's designed for easy installation and wide compatibility with various power tools. If you're a woodworker prioritizing safety and quick access to power control for your machinery, this switch is a must-have. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.